Welcome to Tuff Torq. Today we're going to do a brief tutorial on how to look up Tuff Torq service parts. In the search engine, type in www.tufftorqparts.com. Click on the order tree link. Prior to looking up Tuff Torq service parts, you must know the transaxle serial number. For today's example, we're going to utilize the K46CR. The top label shows you an old style or pre-2019 Tuff Torq serial number label. On this label, you still have the 11-digit part number for the CR, and you also have the 46CR serial number, which is 46CR0160000. The newer style, you also have the 11-digit part number, but on the bottom of the label, you'll see the TTC model code K46CR. But the serial number coding is a bit different on the new style. As you see, it starts with AIS, then of course the serial number. So now that we know what we're looking up, simply type in 46CR and hit enter. Now for the 46CR, you'll see there's 4 serial number ranges that pull up. For this particular one, we're going to utilize this range. Click on the range, next click on parts, and now the IPL along with the part numbers will show up. Click on the number you want, and you can add it to the cart or view whatever you need necessary. Now, if you already know the part number that you need, you can simply go to the search engine box and type in the number and hit enter. There you have the K46CR transaxle. For more information, please visit www.tufftorq.com. Thank you.